admire this fridge for the last night. Yeah, thumbnail. So I'm done. So guys, the fridge is done. Bye. I'm going to miss this fridge. Yeah, it's not that dirty. Yeah. Maybe I should wipe it. 1 minute. Guys, Obi is here. Obi is here. Yes. Eto asale. Obi is here, guys. Obi is here. Just the place which is being best. Stephanie, alhamdulillah. I think it's downstairs. Alhamdulillah. I forgot to remove this, and this must also go off, and it's downstairs already. Let's do this. I'll just put the phone here for you guys to just see. Hey. I can hear the sound they are coming. Change the coin. Ah. So the step is so hot. So hot. Of course. Omi pipe wọn ló ń dùn mí. Òtí yóò lọ fún wọn lábọ̀ bóyá dọ̀là ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ìdúrà yìí. Bóyá dọ̀là. Guys, good evening. Welcome back to another clip. So this is the next day. This is the new refrigerator. We swap it with our old one, yeah, which I'm here to clean. So inshallah, I want to do that now after I finish washing my dishes. So let's do this together. Alright, so this is the bowl my husband brought yesterday back from his workplace. Yeah, I have to place it after. one more thing is that we change the position, okay? Now where my refrigerator was, at that corner there, I've placed my mini dining table over there. I'll show you guys. So this is how this corner is looking like right now. Yep. So I placed my mini dining here. Refrigerator is around my kitchen now, which I love so much, because this is bigger. When we place it there, when we place it over there wasn't space to open it very well, so maybe the open will just be like this, which is not good. So that was why. And I love it here. I love it here. So, and the dispenser too is close to my, it's in the kitchen now.